Now, say for instance, you said something particular, and say for instance you were going to say something, and you said this. This is a test sentence to show the matrix prompts functionality. You wrote that down, you mashed enter. Well, it goes directly to the prompt, and we have it highlighted right now. It's in green. Now, as you can go back to the prompt, you see it's highlighted in green. We pick the font. We can change the color of the font, the highlight color, and I have it highlighted. Now, say we want to, the AI, the artificial intelligence, responds to you. You said this is a test sentence to show the matrix functionality. Now, or the prompts functionality. Now, say the artificial intelligence says something back to you. It says this is another test sentence to show the matrix prompts functionality. Now, it's not highlighted. The text is a different color, and that's what is shown over here. We have right here. We have the user font, and we have the AI font. So you can have two different fonts for what you say and what the artificial intelligence tells you. Now, this can get very colorful. This can get very nice. I want to change this to a different font. I'll make the font a little bit bigger. I'll select that particular font. I want to change the font color. The AI is going to respond with pink letters, and we're going to give it a purple background. It's going to be girly. Okay. Now we can change the entire background, but we're not going to do that right now. I'm going to accept that and say, I believe we're Tom. Yeah, we're Tom, and the AI is Bill. Now Bill's going to say something back. And look at this. He said it, and it's a purple background with pink letters. Now I can make this font a lot bigger. In fact, I will. I'll change it to, say, 24-point font. Now see, that's much bigger. Now we're going to say something, and now Bill's going to say something. See, and it makes a very colorful prompt. As you can see here, it is very nice. Now we can sit here and cycle through this. Oops. I told it to be quiet. I accidentally mashed the message. Now he just got through telling me something, and now it's all in purple. But see, I can scroll up and down, and this conversation can go on and on. You see 6, 7, 8. It's all numbered, so you can know how many things you said. And I want to clear this entire prompt. And I said quiet a while ago. I can clear it, and now we're back to normal. Now the next particular tab, next component I would like to show you in this is the script editor. Now we've seen the general profile tab, we've seen the home tab, we've seen there's nothing to see with a database viewer. Now we've got to the script edit tab. This right here basically is how you would edit your plugins or edit the brain itself using Visual VB script code or VB code. Depends on what I would like to do, because I can do both. I should be able to do both. Now, right now you can it is set up to highlight syntax for VB code, and I'll give an example. Set var1 equals create object. Create object. Make a call to a DLL. What did I do wrong? Okay. Click CP. Right there. Now that, of course, color coded it, and I did the work that color coded it. There was a lot of work involved. It's actually a pretty good size script that code that allowed me to do that. Now, as you can see here, many lines of code can be written and then saved. You can save a completely new script or plugin, and it will load into Athena. Now to the left you have previous plugins. It will naturally load certain files up for you. It will load plugins up. It will load hat files up. It will load all the files that you created, or all the scripts that you have, including the brain file, will be loaded into this list box. This makes everything easier because now I can click on, say, Jason Dude's Read a Story plugin, and it all showed up, and I can adjust it and change things and save it. And it's pretty nice. And I did a lot of work on that. I can move this around, make certain areas bigger and larger. I can refresh everything. Say if you have some new items added to that folder, I can refresh it. There's nothing there, so I don't have to worry about that. But this is a code editor, and it's real simple. All I have to do is go to the Home tab. I want things to be changed. I go back to the script editor, change it up, save it, go back to the Home tab, see how everything's working, if it's working right. Now there could be some other issues I'm not aware of yet, but that's what I'll do. I will deal with those problems as they come, as that's the only thing I can do. Now basically I've shown you everything that I've done on the surface. In the next few videos I would like to show you a little bit more intimately in Visual Studio 2008 what I have done with the components and some other components that I've spent a lot of work on. There has been a tremendous amount of labor here, but it's been a labor of love, and the coding, there is a tremendous amount of coding, but I had to learn the coding. I wanted to learn the coding, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. And I thank everybody for listening, and I hope you stay tuned for later videos. Thank you.